Hello guys, and welcome once again to the same workshop. This video you're about to see right now is going to be a very simple video. You know when you make a senator outfit and you're supposed to make maybe a short sleeve or a three-quarter, that particular part that you're supposed to sew, there's supposed to be an hemming, like it make the edge you're supposed to sew is supposed to be a little bit stiff. That's what I want to show you in this video. If you're sewing a short sleeve or you're sewing a three-quarter sleeve, I'm going to show you how to stiffen, how to add a stay into around your sleeve in order to make it a little bit stiffen, so that when you wear it, it's going to be standing without any stitch or wrinkle around that side. So I'll be showing you this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorial. So here, after you cut out your three-quarter sleeve, as you can see here, I have a length of 16 inch, and I'll be folding in 3 inch for the sleeve length. So here, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in my 13 inch, which should be the total of the three-quarter sleeve. You guys can see. I'll take my time to iron this well, so I'm going to have it balanced very well. What I want you guys to pay attention to is the detailing of around the sleeve circumference. So here, after I fold it, I'm going to take one. This is the front side, and this is the back side. So I'm going to take one out of this. I'm going to fold it just this way. There are several ways in which people used to do this one, but in order to give it that simplicity look and make it look mature, you don't have to do a turnover. You can see here, after you fold it, let me fold the second one too, so I won't miss the front and the back side. Okay, so this is the back. I'm going to fold this. Okay, so you guys can see, after folding this place, you guys can see that after folding this place, now you're going to put in your fusing. This here is a collar stay. I use a collar stay because I want that part to be firm. You can use another stay, but collar stay is most preferable. I believe you can see this is the glue part, and this is the, so here you're going to paste put your collar stay right at the edge of your glue. You guys can see that. You guys can see. And I'm going to end that part down. Okay, I cut the collar stay at 2.5 inch, and this here is 3 inch, so I'm going to have an half of an inch in order to fold over. I believe you guys can see that. So I'm going to iron it very well. So after you iron it very well, you're going to fold this over. I want you guys to pay very good attention to this part. Make sure you iron it very well as well. So now the next thing you're going to do is just to fold this side. Fold it on top of, you can see. You guys can see that. Fold that on top. After you fold it on top, just like that, you can see. Now what I'll be doing, in order to hold that place tight, so that when you're stitching this place, you're going to have a smooth stitch at the edge of that part, I'll be putting an hemming gum to the edge. So just place your gum. I believe it is very preferable to use a collar stay. Very preferable. So I'm going to iron it. So now you guys can see we have a very smooth edge. You can see that we have a very smooth edge and the closing inside. So you're going to easily cut out this allowance, and I'm going to stitch it and show you guys what it looks like. So you guys can see what we have so far. After I ran a stitch from the inside here. You can see just one stitch, and on top of it here I had one straight stitch. So you're going to have your sleeve looking really clean. The three-quarter sleeve looking really clean, so that when someone wear it, it's going to hang on top. I don't know how to explain it, but you're going to have it hang around the wrist side, around the arm side. So that's about this. Very simple. Now I see you guys to my next video. Peace. Make sure you enjoy yourself.